How to install a Titan Quick Escape Ultimate Window Screen featuring the MeshTech Advanced Screen System. Professional installation is required for this product. It requires knowledge of window systems, framing, local fire codes, and related installation techniques beyond the scope of this video. To open the window screen from the inside, properly operate the release mechanism by pulling the safety latch handle towards the inside of the home while pushing the release bar. Never apply a padlock or locking device that requires a key or tool to unlock to any part of the quick release system or window screen. A Quick Escape Model Ultimate Window Screen will include a separate insert containing child safety information and fall prevention warnings. Be sure to provide this directly to the homeowner when you demonstrate the quick release system to the residents. Also, be sure to retain all the packaging until the Ultimate Window Screen is successfully installed. Please contact us before returning the product. Customer service and technical support are available Monday through Friday from 6:30 a.m. through 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time at 1-866-317-8867 or support@uhdco.com. For best results, read the installation instructions in full and watch the video in its entirety before attempting the installation. Installation may require 2 people. Be sure to use appropriate protective equipment, including safety glasses. The Quick Escape Ultimate Window Screen is a surface mount product that must be fastened to the framing system of the home surrounding the window. Number 9 T20 trim head bronze star drive screws are recommended as they fit within the slimline profile of the product, providing the ability to drive screws at slight angles without interfering with the final installation. The length of the fastener needed will vary, typically between 3 and 6 inches, based on the location of the mounting surface and the type of window surround. First, identify and prepare the mounting surface. Your Quick Escape window screen will require a minimum mounting surface of 11/16 of an inch around the window to provide clearance for the 3-inch wide and 1 5/8 inch deep profile. Mounting screws must be secured to a stud in the wall. Check for any obstructions around the window that may prevent a secure fit and remediate them before proceeding with the installation. Next, hang the window screen. Hold the window screen and place it in proper position over the window, ensuring the mounting holes are in the desired locations, particularly the mounting hole that is closest to the center of the top rail. Using a drill, drive a mounting screw in to hang the window screen on the wall, leaving the screw a few turns from tight so the screen level can be adjusted. Note, in some cases, you may have to angle the mounting screw slightly to reach a stud. Next, adjust the window screen until it is level and drive a second mounting screw to hold it in place, also leaving it a few turns from tight. Continue installing mounting screws, checking that the window screen remains both level and square throughout. Shimming is necessary to keep it in square. Now, install the safety latch handle if your window screen is equipped with one. From inside the window, push the release bar to expose the secondary safety latch handle mounting holes, which are pre-drilled and located at the bottom slit on the release bar. Install the secondary safety handle using the 2 M4.2 by 13 mm flathead Phillips screws provided. Next, test the safety latch handle. Close the window screen to ensure the 2-step egress mechanism fully engages and resets such that the window is locked without pulling it back. Next, lift the secondary safety latch upwards and simultaneously push the release bar to ensure that the window screen opens quickly and fully with no more than a light 15 pounds of pressure on the push bar and no interference before the window screen swings fully open. If the safety latch and push bar do not operate properly in both regards, both resetting and opening, check for level and square and adjust the mounting screws and shims accordingly until the Quick Escape system passes both tests. Now install the snap covers. Identify the long hook leg of the snap cover. Start by inserting the long hook leg into the snap cover channel. Using a rubber mallet, hit the mitered edge of the snap cover to fully seat it in place. Once it has been seated, hold a wood block over the snap cover and hit it with the rubber mallet, moving across the length of the snap cover to smooth out any irregularities in its surface. Repeat for the remaining sides. Next, demonstrate and label the Quick Escape system. Clearly demonstrate the operation of the system to all available residents and provide the homeowner the option of placing the labels provided on the push bar, and, if so equipped, the safety latch. To finish the installation, lay a bead of caulk along the top and both sides of the window screen frame where it mates to the mounting surface. Leave the bottom uncaulked to allow for proper drainage. And that's all there is to installing a Quick Escape Ultimate window screen featuring the MeshTech Advanced Screen System.